the virus. And this is 7 fun time.
7! Come here, quick! I found something!
What is
Come
it?
here, quick! What is this?
It's turquoise slime.
Don't touch it!
It's turquoise slime.
It looks like slime, but look! You gotta be very careful. I gotta turn my special light on. Oh my god, what is that?
It looks like someone trod right here and went out the window.
Yes, it does. Let's go outside and see if we can see what it is.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's get outside. Let's see what this is. Be careful. There's no light. There's no light. The light doesn't work. Come on. Here, I'll turn on my specter. Let's see if we can see.
The ooze.
What is it? Oh my god, what is that?
Wait, hon.
What is it? Oh, wait, be careful what you're stepping in.
Come, right here.
Oh my god, what is all that?
Fine. Let's take the...
Over here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, hang on. Oh, where's the jar? Where's the jar?
Oh, there it is, right there.
What the? Oh, to that one.
Oh, it's stuck to the house.
7, here.
Ew.
You and Mommy need to go inside and dissect this now.
So here are the instructions. You gotta unwrap it, find the tool. Then you use the tool to saw along the danger line to open where you get the ooze container, which are these 2 little pieces and the checklist. We've got this guy right here. His name is, he's a Gizmuck alien. And then these are all the possible guys and stuff you can get inside of them. So that's the tool. And this is what the little alien looks like out of the package. See, it says cut here. And then you gotta squeeze the head. Oh, sorry, fill the head with the ooze and then squeeze the head. But then afterwards, the ooze goes into this little thing, so it stops being messy.
Guys, they also did a tree inside him and try to do a weapon.
Yeah, alright. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the alien. We gotta go.
Inside
Oh, yeah, there we go. See? Gotta cut it. Oh, yeah. See, it's opening.
Oh, I see fine. Maybe that red one and the other one and blue one.
Almost there, guys. Almost there. Oh. Alright. We got it.
Let me see.
Oh. Look, his ribs. Ooh, and then...
Oh, you gotta take out with this. With the tree source.
Oh, you do? Oh! His rib cage popped out.
Oh, into the bag.
Okay, so then...
Open the bag. Open the bag. That's all the ooze at.
Oh, see. Oh, yeah. Then you get this nice big old bag of ooze. And then...
Oh!
Let me see his head.
I got 2 different...
Let me see his head.
And also count islands.
Alright, so then you take the head. See? Head pops off. Then you open the head. And then you gotta cut the goo sack open. Oh, this is gonna be messy, guys. Be prepared.
Help me! I did it!
Oh, gross.
Help me.
Oh, look, guys.
Me.
See him? Oh.
That's what I'm hoping for. Oh, that. Ooh.
Ah.
Not like last time.
Ah. Alright, so now we got...
I'm trying to dip.
Now we got all the goo out. You just throw the little ooze bag away.
I see someone poop boy. What under his feet?
Alright, let's try to...
There's someone poop boy in there.
Here, hold the bag down. Okay.
Oh, what?
Alright, so we found...
A critter.
We found a critter. And it looks like a little... like an itty bitty alien scorpion thing. So we'll put him off to the side.
And this guy's dead.
Then...
Guys, he got a really tiny body. And this is fine.
Oh gosh. Okay. So the
Oh,
alien...
I see a weapon. I see a weapon.
The alien we got, his name is... Gas Bump. His name's Gas Bump. Alright, okay, so then...
I got his weapon.
You got his weapon?
Ah! There's some shot on it.
Alright, well... This... Careful. This last one is... the mystery item. Stop it.
This place is so sticky.
Getting slime all over the place.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, my nail.
But it looks like, let's see. Ooh, it's called a comet cluster. Let's see, right? Yeah, you can't really see that well, but it's a comet cluster and it's from the cosmic cloud section. And it's not one of the glow-in-the-dark ones. Alright, so now, you ready? You ready for the best part, guys?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we put this...
Oh, put a tray inside him.
No. I can't put the critter inside him because it won't come out.
Why did it be a toy?
Alright, see? So
I'll
we
do
gotta
slime there.
stuff all the slime in here. Come on, go in. Go in. Okay, there we go. All the slime in there. Hold on. Okay, so we got all the slime. Alright, now
That and grease it.
we gotta close this without squeezing it. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Let me try to focus it a bit more better for you guys.
Oh.
Oh, look, it comes out of his eye sockets. Like boogers. Look at that. Alright, well, that. Ew, show it one more time. Alright, see, and then drop it in here, because that's where it goes.
Ah, my eyes. My eyes.
The goo is surprisingly not as gross as like Nickelodeon slime. It's actually pretty okay, so it doesn't stick to your fingers or anything like that. So, out of this one, we got one of the aliens, who's actually pretty cool because he's orange. Then this is his weapon.
And here's the treasure.
The treasure, which is the cosmic cluster.
And
It comes in this little tiny baggie. And then we got, what, critter number 3. There's only 3 different types of these little purple guys you can get. Alright, but that's it. So sign off, 7.
See me, guys. Don't listen to him. He evil. Bye, guys. And make sure to hit that bell. Make sure to subscribe. And hit that like button.